Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Love seeing you guys here. Well, this is a very long time coming video. I know most of you must have been wondering, where has this guy gone to all this while? I've been here, just that we've not been doing the YouTube stuff like we used to. But I promise you, at this moment, I can guarantee you that yes, you'll be seeing me here more often, and we are going to be having a lot of fun. Yes, you know, it's been a long time, so like there's a lot to catch up with. First of all, where am I going to start with? Okay, first of all, our YouTube is now over 1K subscribers, and a big shout out to every one of our subscribers out there. If you're coming across this video, please remember you have to like, share, and comment. And also, yeah, share is very important because we still need more in our family. Yeah. So that being said, I have a surprise for you guys. It's not really a surprise, but it's one of the things I've always been looking out to getting due to work and getting more booked and also being more active. It tends to like tell on me doing it all by myself. And what am I talking about? Drum roll. Yes, we have. We have our new wigging machine right here. I love to unbox this with you guys because since I got this machine, my back has been shouting celebrate you. We no fear again. I just love the fact that we are here and we're unboxing this together. Promise you, we are beginning this journey together. So is you have to stay here with me. So guys, so we'll be unboxing this, and to start with, a new product like this, it's always exciting when you want to use it. And today being the first time I'm using a machine, wigging machine. That is the manual. I don't know why, but in Nigeria we don't like reading manual. We don't even read manual to know what they ask us to do, like how they ask us to use the equipment and the rest of it all. It's quite funny. So yeah, this is it, and this is the peddling machine here. So let me get this out. This one is the butterfly company. As you can see, is here. Butterfly, that is the name of this company. And from what I've heard, or what I've been hearing from people, I think this is one of the best products that available right now. So I'll be setting this up so that I can use it to do some wigging today, and then wrap it up with perfect style for the week. Hopefully I get to find my way around it because I've not used it before. But thank God to other creatives on YouTube. So to start with, I have to begin with this out. It's always a hassle. Yeah, so inside of here we have some of the things we'll be using. Like this is to actually clean up the machine. Since it's a new one, it won't be needing any cleanup. I think this is for here, for the thread. And then what else? Okay, this is for putting in a thread. I think I'll be using the two. I'll be using the 2 or 3. They have 3 here, so I'll be putting it in the 3. There are other stuffs here, but like I don't think I'll be needing them now. I need oil, so I'll just drop a little bit of oil inside of my machine, at least to get it started. I'll drop it here, and it's here, and here, and here. I think that will be all for now. So I need to like put in my thread at this point. So after doing this, I have here to open this latch here, get this out, and then open the latch again to actually bring this out of here. that's out. So this one already has a thread, a pink thread. I wouldn't be needing a pink thread, so I think I'll just keep this. I'll just keep it for maybe another time. Hopefully, if I at some point want to use pink thread to do anything. So I need to put another one for this. So I'll be putting it here. I'll get my thread. So first of all, on the machine from here is on. Yeah, so all this setup, I will still have to like set it up before I actually begin. This is not easy as I thought. I've tried my first line of sewing and it actually came out nice, but it's not easy in terms of being a beginner. Yeah, it's not that easy because I have to like maneuver my way through certain situations. If it's normal hand, I can bet you like right now I'm almost done with this video. That is how like I'll just keep on trying and trying and trying. But you see this thing, I must get to the end of it. I don't have any other thing. I'm not sleeping today till I get to the end of this. So I've set up the machine. I've done the little maintenance I need to do before using it. I've set up my thread and everything. Like it's all set now and good to go. So don't forget, in case you want to also know or learn how to set up your machine, do comment and I will actually give you a link to watch and also learn. Okay. I already sewed in my frontal, that is the closure, with a needle and thread, just normal hand sewing. I don't want to like get things complicated for myself too much, so I just did that with my hand to ease myself a lot of stress. Because at this point now, at this point, like this is just like stressful. I wouldn't lie, you know. You know, there's someone that said that when learning new things make you look stupid, saving makes you look broke. I mean, it makes you broke. Actually, it actually makes you broke. The only God that can help me here, because I don't even know what I'm sewing. Like, I really don't know what I'm sewing here. Like, I don't even know. What are you doing? God. Like, this is what I've been struggling with throughout today. It's not easy. See this P? It's not easy. But I'm not giving up on it though. I'm not giving up on it. I'm just going to take it step by step. I'll continue trying. At this point I just need to give up a little. I need to give up a little, like let me just give up small because it's not going according to plan. Like the first one was way easier. Like the first one I put in just went, like it just surprised me. Even me, I was like, bro, is this how fast? I was giving motivational speech before until I said do rubbish. Motivation has gone out because there's nothing I understand here. Please, cut. So far, so good. I've been able to do it. I'm almost done with this one. I've sewn just remaining this little place here. You thought I was going to give up? they give up for a year. If I even had a choice, I don't have a choice. I have to do this, even though it's not easy, but this machine sewing is easier. But for me, because I've always been doing the hand sewing method, the machine one is quite difficult for me now. But I believe with time, because I'm really getting used to it, and like I'm finding my way around certain things. It's a gradual process. I want to trust the process. You should also trust the process. So let me continue with this one. Okay. Hmm. So guys, I've been able to finish up with this one, with this wig, and it fits perfectly. It's actually giving what I should give. you know I see the challenges in doing this, and it's quite tasking, because it requires you being more precise with your work, and it gets a neater job. Actually, it's faster. I swear it's faster. So you can I don't know if you can see the weft. The cap is very neat and very nice. So next up is for me to do my thing, which is the styling. So thank you guys for being on this journey with me. As you can see, this is my first wigging practice, and I was able to get through it. So it's not easy. See, my eyes is red already. I need to go and sleep. I need to rest. So I'll see you guys some other time. For now, bye. I'll still show you the results of this styling after I'm done with it. Don't forget, you can also DM me, or send, or just in the comment section write something that you like about this process, your difficulties in this process if you have any, and also if you want to learn about how to use it, and if you want to also get a machine like mine, just let me know, and I will tell you how to get yours. So see you guys. Bye bye.